a trade review on the day. So I traded this morning because I swung AMD overnight. So I talked about it in my morning video. Because I swung AMD and we opened here, I knew that I was starting out as a deficit. So for me, I had to trade at least to break even, right? Because my swings from overnight were down like 50% at open, right? And so this just like crushed me, and then like very quickly like kept going down. So I was at a pretty significant loss when the market opened. So what did I do? I wish I would have gotten into AMD, but I didn't. I saw this gap, and then I was quite unsure how the day was gonna go. In hindsight, I can say a gap up, sell makes complete sense. We gapped up to the highs, and then selling from those highs would be what feels like basic logic, but it wasn't so basic for me. This morning, I was on the 5, so watching SPY on the 5, it felt as though we were going to keep pumping, actually. So I got into a long here, right? I exited my AMD. I'm at a loss on the day. This, for me, is, okay, a clear indication that we're going to pump, right? So we get this move. That's weird. We get this move up, and I'm thinking, great, we've made a new high. I actually hold 0 days through all of this down, this 3 bar, and back up through, and I'm thinking, oh shit, like, are we really going to pump this thing? So this is my focus, right? With that, I'm also in Tesla, because Tesla put in this beautiful fiver, right? And I want to be taking these types of trades inside 5s and up. Because where am I trying to go with Tesla? What we said this morning, this weekly target. So I'm riding Tesla, and let me split the screen like this for you. And I'm also watching AMD. So SPY, Tesla, AMD. These are the 3 tickers that I'm looking at. And I'm going to make a video on viewports because I don't think that the 2x4 grid, the quad, all right, not a quad, it's like 8 squares, but it's 2x4. I don't think that's the best way for the majority of traders to be watching. So anyway, I decide I'm going to long everything. Yeah, AMD's gone against me, like, it's a bit shit, but that's all right. So for me, I get out of AMD, wherever I do, I take a pretty hefty loss, to be fair. So I get into SPY, it does this, and this was like probably 35-40%, because 0 day and how fast this move actually happened, this move here. So that was pretty great. And then Tesla did over 100% from this entry here, like just this full-on pump. Which was, to be fair, yeah, it's like a $5.50 pump, or maybe not 5.5, but like a straight 5-ish dollar pump. So yeah, that makes sense. So at this point, I took a tiny bit of a loss. Like I waited till it came back below this weekly, what is this? Target. But I really should have taken profit when it double topped and flipped continuity, right? Because a double top on a 0 day is a clear indication that you need to protect yourself. A double bottom, double top, doesn't matter, but a double anything, it's time to protect yourself. So I gave a little bit of profits back on Tesla, but I'm still down on the day, right? And I wait for all of this to happen, and I'm thinking, oh, this is going to be perfect, because we're going to get this 15er flip, and we're going to trigger this 3-2, we're going to keep sailing up to the moon, right? But what happens is this. We all know what happened today. But live in the moment, I was sort of like, oh shit, are they really going to flip this? Let me show you SPY on the day. Are they really going to flip this? Oops. And at this point, I'm not thinking outside day. I'm just thinking fill the gap, right? Because we have this 15er flip, And I will set all this up so you can see it more beautifully. We have this 15er flip right up here. This 15er goes red, and then it just keeps falling. And for me, I just found that to be, for some reason today, it was very difficult for me to flip my bias. I think because this 3 came all the way back through, it had already flipped the day red and made a new low. Like, I'm just thinking, okay, great, now we'll make a higher high. And at the end of the day, we did. I don't know, I was very attached to longs. So with that, I want this to be, is this 15? Yeah, I want this to be 30, perfect. With that, I now see, I think I was also long AMD. No, there's no way long. Oh yeah, long Tesla. And exited. And I'm also looking to get back into Tesla, right? We had this 5 retest, and I was like, oh, perfect. They're going to give me another entry to just pump this thing, right? However, I let all of this, or I get out of this SPY. I think I took like 5 to 10%. It was a terrible execution. Great trade, terrible execution. I let all of this happen because at this time of day, on this 15er flip, I tried to flip to the 15-minute. And so in that, let's do that together. Oh, that's weird. My stuff usually recalibrates. Try to flip to the 15-minute, and I see that this 15er is going outside. This should have been my entry, right? But I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I wasn't sold. I was unsure. Hindsight's 2020, like whatever you want to call it. I just didn't enter my trade there. This is going to be a little frustrating, I reckon. So with that, I decided to wait because SPY was setting this up. This outside 15er, and then I saw that we had 30s, like, and also it's so bloody early in the day, like no reason to rush. So this ended up being my entry on my short down. But I do want to talk about the mistakes that I made. So, and this frankly is one of the easiest trades on the planet because it just is. Like, I usually say, you know, don't worry about it. Like, things happen all the time. Like, you can make money every day, and all of that is true. But trades like this is sort of like, if you missed it, then there needs to be a lot more studying happening. So, I take this down, and it just falls to the depths. My mistake on this was I'm still trading in a deficit, right? So I'm just trying to break even at this point. This pull up, it's not even pull back because there's no 5 that's closing against me. But this move up before it comes back down, right? That wick on this 5er kicks me out of amazing position. I was in like the 548s. Yeah, I was in the 546s because I bought quite a bit to try and make up. And this, and also this, right? This was my entry. We came down, we came back up to my entry. That kicked me out. But in hindsight, like and especially on Friday, and I know this on Friday, you get in the trade and then you walk away because Fridays are built for volatile movement. And I'm seeing this, right? We've triggered this 30. We're going, if we're not going outside day, we're at least going to previous day open, right? Like I had all of that marked out. I've since taken it off. But my mistake was I was so focused on at least breaking even that I was allowing for these back movements to take me out. So this one won, this one, right? Because this was the open, and went up. It was green, 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 green. So you're giving back profits, right? So that shakes my confidence, I guess. So gave money back, like had to get back in, right? And so when I'm getting back in, I'm also losing money. My position sizing isn't the same, etc., etc. So my gains, like I broke even, like I actually made a little bit of money, but ultimately you want to be able to hold through this. There is no reason to get out of this. And that's why I said this is like the easiest trade. Look at this. Not a single 5er against you. Till we get here. Right? So if you enter at 650.55, that's a little over a $5 drop. Not a single 5 against you. No reason to exit. So definitely was trading my P&L today. I'm actually quite disappointed in my performance. I'm thinking I'll just go live next week to really start getting real-time data for myself that I can watch back. Consecutively, when this is happening, I decide I'm also going to short Tesla and AMD. My AMD short was definitely off this 15er. My Tesla short, however, was off of this. Because I told you I exited up high, right? And so we hit our target and I'm thinking, okay, then we're going to go to the other side of the range. I don't know why I can think about that on Tesla. Why I can think about that on, it wasn't AMD, on SPY. Like I can think about it on Tesla. We hit this target and now it's time to reverse. But on SPY I was like, oh no, it's still going to somehow pump. Which is, I don't know, human, I guess. So this was my entry. So this is my entry up. This was my entry down on Tesla. And targets were, let's see. I just think it was on the, oh, we didn't hit my target. My target would have been this previous high. I didn't think Tesla could fill an entire gap. But yeah, definitely wanted to flip the day red, etc., etc. So we flipped that day. Then we had a bit of trouble. To be fair, SPY definitely carried me through. I did end up making a bit of money. It was no big deal. I wanted AMD to fill this gap, which also did not happen. Let me zoom in for you. Right. So my 15er entry on AMD, I wanted it to go down, down, down. But we did what we did. Not too disappointed in that. Mostly disappointed in my performance on SPY. These are days, you have to take advantage of these types of days, right? Like, this is, for even like a small account, this is $1,000 day. If you get in up here, you just get 2 SPY contracts, $20 each, and they went probably $500 each. That may slightly be overshooting. They're definitely in the 400s. So maybe it was an $800 day. But things like this, you just have to take advantage. And so I'm disappointed in that. Starting out, I don't like to start the day down, which just affects me in a few ways, which is why I want to start live streaming so I can really talk through that in the moment. But even this wickless open, this is a short. This is a clear short. This is a get in now scenario. So live and learn. Just wanted to at least post where I was struggling and what happened today. And yeah, I'll make a video on screen setups.